Hello everybody, and welcome to one of the first, hopefully, broadcasts we can get on here that's pretty good. This isn't a live broadcast, this is pre-recorded, and it's just kind of showing you around kind of how we're going to be doing things here on the blog, and mainly kind of for my father. He just kind of wanted to know kind of what our setup is here. And we have added, actually, a new camera. As you can see here, our co-host camera, and it's actually ran off of a cell phone, and so is the microphone. They ran off of two different cell phones, actually. It's kind of weird. I'll show you with the internal webcam that I'm using on the laptop here in just a moment, kind of how everything's set up and being worked. Just using a nifty program. I'm actually just trying to get all the bugs and kinks worked out of it there, just to make sure everything goes smooth when we actually do start doing these live broadcasts. Want to let you know also we have two new sponsors, real sponsors. I'll show you. There they are. We've got Lily Pies on the left, and Loki on the right. Lily looks kind of angry that she's up there with her, but you know, that happens when you're a cat. You know, things like that happen. So going over, you know, with this program, we actually have a few nifty features that we can do with it. And one of those is actually, I have a laptop over here on my right. It's just underneath of the co-host cam here. You can't quite see it, but we can actually flip over to this laptop. And right now I have the Join This Community page up on the blog, and I can actually show you how to run things, do quick little tutorials about the blog, and as my fiance and I kind of ran into earlier here, it's not just need to be updated here, and that's something that I will most definitely get updated to, you know, show everybody kind of how to do that if they would like to participate. Running and just trying to get the frame rates and everything worked out here, so I apologize if everything's choppy. It's again something we're working on. I'd also like to, you know, introduce my fiance is sitting here next to me, and she's kind of my support through this here and everything that's just kind of going on. We're each other's support. Her name is Ashley. We actually started dating on July 4th of last year, so our 1 year together is coming up fairly quickly here. But let me go ahead and kind of show you around the programs we're using and kind of how everything's set up. So that desktop presenter I just showed you, we just kind of have running on a laptop here. You can see a cell phone sitting next to it. That's the microphone for the webcam that's actually stuck up in that guitar up there. So they can't, that yellow phone can't run sound, and that phone right there can't run visual to the system. So we had to do it separate. So it took a little bit of maneuvering around and getting it just quite how we wanted it. So, but I believe everything is going to start working out, and soon you'll start seeing live events posted and discussions. I'll have a few of my friends, my fiance, and a few different people to have discussions, and everything will be updated and uploaded onto the blog, and we'll get that all up and running just fine. And again, my name is Brandon, and I hope everybody has a very wonderful, well, right now it's 3 a.m., so wonderful morning, rest of your day tomorrow. Have a good night.